Across Ethiopia, a new chapter is unfolding, where fertile land meets modern industry, and opportunity flows from farm to factory to market. The promise of agriculture is becoming the engine of inclusive growth. Agriculture sustains the livelihoods of more than 85% of Ethiopians, yet too much value is lost before products reach consumers.
Agriculture is one of the main sectors in Ethiopia. If we can improve, can give also to the population benefits and the economical point of view. This is why Italy strongly supports the agri-industrial park.
Pilot parks are coming to life, connecting farmers, cooperatives, SMEs, and investors.
በመሰረታዊነት የተቀናጀ አግሮ ኢንዱስትሪ ፓርክ መነሻውንም ብናይ ግብርናን ማዘመን ነው። ከግብርና የምናገኛቸውን እሴቶች ወደ ፋብሪካ በማቀነባበር ወደ ምርትነት መቀየር ነው።
UNIDO's role in sustainability of the integrated agro-industrial parks can be seen in the context of the Ethiopian agro-industry development strategy. The concept is different from the ordinary or the normal industrial parks because raw material is to come or is to be sourced locally.
Sustainability is built in, from efficient use of energy and water to circular solutions that turn waste into value.
We have invited Ethiopian company to join with Italian company in order to create a synergy inside the agri-industrial park.
Together, Ethiopia is unlocking its agro-industrial potential. Join us on the journey.